welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I get rid of my nasty dip powder nails. So I actually have two of my nails that I peeled off pretty easily. The rest are being stubborn. So let me show you how I get them off. The first thing you're gonna need for sure is acetone. It is so important for you to get 100% acetone. I got this from CVS. It says Pro Strength Nail Polish Remover 100% acetone. This is key. It won't work without it. You're gonna need tons of foil, tons and tons of foil. And then your choice, you can use these cotton rounds or what are the other things called? Cotton swabs? Cotton swabs? Yes, that's what I normally use, but I ran out, so we're gonna test this out in front of your eyes with these guys. And then, you're gonna need something to file down your nails with. I'll explain why in a moment, but something rough will do the trick. So let's go ahead and just get started with filing down your nails. It's very important that you get the shiny part of your nails completely off. So I'm gonna do that for every single one of my nails. You just scrape away at these nails. After you've grinded down your nails to remove the shiny part, we're gonna take the acetone and your cotton round or your cotton swab, and you're gonna wet it a little bit. You're gonna take the cotton round and wrap it around your nail and seal it with the foil. Like this. We're gonna do that for every single nail. For about, I usually leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes 20, depending how stubborn the dip powder is. But try 15 minutes and see where your nails are at that point. Been about 10 minutes and I know it's probably not fully gone yet, but I'm going to just casually scrub this off. The reason why I just kind of rub it off is to get the excess cotton round off your nails as well, because that's not cute. So glide them off and I'll show you the status. All right, this is what we have so far. So a good chunk of it came off. Now it's just like one thin layer. So this is what I'm gonna do to speed up the process. You don't have to, you can keep that on for another 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna soak my fingernails directly in acetone and it should just rub off. Let it soak in here for about 10-15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 7 minutes in the bowl. And I kind of rubbed things off a little. Looks like this. Not the most pleasant sight, but the good news is the nail polish came off. I'm gonna go wash my hands off and show you the final nails. I'm back and I have clean nails. So one thing to know is every time I get dip powder, I do get a little bit of nail damage. That's whether I take it off or whether I go to nail salon, I always see it. Just I have very sensitive and weak nails, so I get a little bit of it. But besides that, all of the nail polish is off and I feel fresh, and now I can kind of give my nails a break, which I like to do every 3-4 months. And I'm gonna just layer over it with a top coat. I will of course use another filer to like buff it out and clean it up a little bit more. But yeah, that's kind of the tutorial. It is a bit of a struggle, like it'll take you probably 20-30 minutes with cleanup. Just don't freak out if 10 minutes into it your nails haven't fully come off. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, just depends on how long you've had the nails on and how thick the dip nails are to begin with. So there's a lot of factors that play into this. You can either stick with the foil and the cotton swabs. I got super impatient, so I use the bowl, which is also something you can do. I've also done something where I've warmed water in a bowl. Like I'll just put it in the microwave for a minute and a half where it's actually kind of hot to warm. And then I put a plastic bag with acetone in it, so you can't like microwave acetone, right? So do that and kind of rub it off 20 minutes or so, and it should do the trick too. So there's a lot of different ways to go about it. Depends on what you feel comfortable with doing. This is kind of hard to do on your own, at least for me. I'm like struggling. Once I get 9 nails in, I'm like, okay, how do I do the last one? Ajit was here luckily to help me out. But you can also do the bowl, and you can also do the water in a bowl with the plastic bag. I think all of those methods work great. It saves you a trip to the nail salon, especially if you're not going in to get another manicure and you just want a break. This is just a great way to do it at home, quick, easy, and I hope you found it helpful. And I think that's all I have for you guys. So I appreciate everyone for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please, please, please do so. It would mean the world to us. And I say us because it's both Ajit and I in this together. This is our channel. So thank you so much for tuning in. And of course, we will chat soon. Bye.